In the digital age, making money from home has never been easier. With the advent of the internet, you can find multiple ways to earn money online. In this video, we will share with you the top 3 ways to make money online. 1. Surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services. They often pay people to take surveys online. With just a few clicks, you can earn some money and help companies improve their products. 2. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting someone else's products or services on your website or social media page. For every sale that is made from your promotion, you will receive a commission. 3. Online courses. Do you have expertise in a particular area? You can make money by creating and selling online courses. There are multiple platforms available that allow you to market and sell your courses. These are just some of the top ways to make money online. With a laptop and internet connection, you can make money from the comfort of your own home. Start exploring these options and find the one that works best for you.